and welcome to the Extreme Weekends 2023 right here at the Sheikh Zayed Festival, brought to us of course by IP Studios. This is our final show of the evening and we are doing some world-class stunts by some world-class athletes. Make some noise! Loving the energy level over here. Remember, the bigger the energy, the bigger the stunts. So let's maintain that energy. Speaking of athletes, right next to him, his Daredevil brother, also from Spain, the Guinness 2015 world record for being the only tandem to perform a trick on a bike. Please make some noise for Antonio Navas! Final show of Extreme Weekend 2023. So, let's get to know our superheroes just a little bit. You see the man dressed up all in yellow. He is known as Antonio. He will be leading the pack tonight, coming all the way from Spain. And following Massimo, we've got Rocky. And right after Rocky, of course, we got Becca. So what we like to do is, our riders will take a few laps around the track just to get a feel of things. Then they're going to test out the ramp, and they'll say hi to everybody from the air up there. And we're going to say hi back. And then they're going to be performing some tricks for us. Are you ready? Superman! Flying in the air. All that was missing was his cape. My goodness. Antonio! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's up to the side, landing on the nose of his bike. This guy is loving it. He's loving the energy. Let him hear you. Let him hear you. Next up, allora, bellissimo, Massimo, getting some air. My goodness. Rocky, oh my goodness, Rocky. A little double grab action going on. Too much fun. Oh, they're loving it, Let's make sure we scream at our loudest when they're in the air. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise! Antonio with the heel clicker. Woo! Oh, he's loving the crowd. Look at him go right there. He's loving the crowd. Following him. There he goes! Oh my! He goes. Oh my goodness. Giving us all the smoke. Doing the donuts. Look at the precision. Look at the control. Here he comes. Donut. Yes. Make some noise. Yes, sir. Number 14, looking so close. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe my eyes. Also, I can't use my eyes because of all the smoke. Giving us all the smoke and all the sounds. Woo! Let's see if parking is good. 27, you're up next. Here he comes, the Middle East Drift King. Looking good so far. The precision. That was number 27, Oliver. Look at him go. Parking complete. My goodness. So close. It was a little bit crazy, my friend. You're a little bit crazy, huh? Here comes Massimo. Allora! Backflip! Massimo, already you're doing backflips on your first jump? Oh my goodness, you're a little insane. Shway Majnoon, that's what they say, right? Next up, Rocky. I can't believe my eyes right now. I'm seeing all the moves that I watched them do on YouTube, and they're doing it right here for us. Here comes Maka. Maka getting some air. Hanging out with the crowd. Oh, they're getting warmed up, ladies and gentlemen. They're getting warmed up. Here comes Antonio. Oh my goodness, don't do it, Antonio. In your hair to a tsunami. From the side to the top, like the hands on a clock. Showboating for our fans, of course, he loves to play with the fans. Here comes Massimo. We got a win! Wow. Massimo, what was that? That was a crazy whip, all the way twisting and turning. It's Rocky. Not sure which side he wanted to go, so he went left, right, left. That's like a cheat code on PlayStation. Maka! High diving Superman. That's how you feel? Okay, Maka, alright, okay. You guys are warmed up, huh? Let's see what Antonio's got in his bag next. Here we go. Mira. Hold on. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Touching the ceiling, about the front end to the back is Antonio now. He's loving the crowd. Massimo Bianconcini. Here he comes. Oh my goodness.